Welcome to the workshop. This presentation fix is all about gestures and really where people can go wrong with how they move their hands when they're presenting. Clearly only relevant if you are going to be visible during your presentation. Your hand gestures could be distracting or supporting you, depending on what's going on there. Where people tend to go wrong is having a lot of unconscious movement, hand wringing, fiddling with clothing, fiddling with hair, guys fiddling with things in their pockets that they shouldn't be. Please don't do that. It's a really bad idea. You might have a pen or a clicker and be playing with that whilst you're speaking, and your audience is watching that and they're not watching and paying attention to you. So in order to fix that, maybe that you just need to stop moving for a while altogether and try and do your presentation as still as possible, or at least practice it that way. Watch yourself back on video and see what's distracting, what's actually working. Get specific feedback from people who maybe know a thing or two about presentations and see from them what is working and what isn't. Do more of what works, less of what doesn't. And there are specific gestures that can help you, but a lot of presentation teachers don't teach them because they can look really unnatural and very robotic if they are forced. So they need to be really well practiced and they need to feel natural and look natural in your presentation. They're called Satir categories. I will do another video about them. I'll link it here as well. If you are not already following me and you want more of this kind of information, please make sure you follow me, like and subscribe to my channel, leave me a message, let me know what you'd like to know more about, or if you have questions for me, and I'll be back soon with more.